All right, on today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our smart contracts project. Let's have a look at what we're going to be going over today. And today we're back inside of our Moccasin module, and we're actually going to be starting a new module today. It's still Moccasin, but it's going to be a different aspect of Moccasin. But before we get there, we're actually going to wrap up the last section that we were in, which was the favorites work, not the favorites workshop, but the ZK sync setup. So in this section, we'll be going over the details of the workshop project for this section. This is the workshop project. These are the 5 objectives we want to accomplish in this workshop project. We want to deploy our contract to the Tenderly virtual network. We want to write our own script and deploy it to the Pi EVM network. We want to write our own script and deploy it to the Error VM network. We want to write a new test script in our test file and run it. And we want to write a new script that interacts with our deployed contract on the Error EVM network. Now, unfortunately, since we weren't able to do any of the actual work for this module because we're having the technical issues, we won't be able to do this workshop. But I'm not really too worried about it because we were able to deploy the contract to other networks previously. If you've been following along, you've seen that we deployed plenty of contracts to both our Sepolia test network and to the Tenderly. So it's not like we can't do it. It's just we weren't able to use this McKesson to actually do it. So that's all it is. So I'm not really too discouraged about it. Like we already done it, so we know that we can do it. It's just that we won't be able to use the McKesson tool to deploy the contracts as of now until we dive back into it later when we upgrade our equipment and we can move forward. But that being said, we're going to be moving forward to a new aspect of Moccasin, and this is going to be called 5 More, and we're going to start that tomorrow. I don't want to dive into it right now or give you any hints as to what it is because I didn't really dive into it myself all the way. So we're just going to pick it up tomorrow and we'll dive into it together. So stay tuned for that. But of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. For now, this is the Python Poppy. You guys stay Gucci. 1,